Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Amazfit has launched the upgraded version of the T-Rex series smartwatch and it's the T-Rex Pro. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this rugged smartwatch. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front of the box we have the Amazfit branding along with the model name T-Rex Pro. And here is a picture of the smartwatch. At this side we can see some key features such as military standard certifications, precise positioning with the built-in GPS, water resistance up to 100 meters, and you get the built-in altimeter, barometer and compass. You get the 1.3-inch AMOLED display, blood oxygen measurement, 100 plus sports activities and ultra long battery life. The MRP on the box is 17,999. However, the sale price of the smartwatch is 12,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So we get this one more box and inside it we have the smartwatch itself. In terms of the design, it looks very similar to the last year's version, but I find the build quality of the Pro version better and it's also lightweight. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get these two boxes and in this one we have the magnetic charging cable, which is similar to the GTS 2 and the GTR 2. And then in this box we have the user manual. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Amazfit T-Rex Pro is a rugged smartwatch. You get 15 military grade certifications in this watch. T-Rex Pro can handle extreme temperatures and conditions from 70 degrees Celsius heat to minus 40 degrees cold weather. And also it can easily face a high humidity environment and it's also shock proof. Now in terms of the design, this smartwatch will be available in 3 colors. And here we have the steel blue variant. Apart from that, it's available in black and grey. Now talking about the quality, the build quality looks amazing even though it looks big, but it's very lightweight and weighs just 59 grams. So it all depends upon your personal preferences. If you like the design of G-Shock, then you'll find the design and the quality of this watch very good. In terms of the overview, we get the polycarbonate body and you get these 4 buttons with the marking in the front dial. The dial has a steel finish. The look and feel of this watch is very good, especially the front steel finish dial. Now in terms of the display, the 1.3-inch AMOLED display has a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels and it comes with the tempered glass and the anti-fingerprint coating. Now looking at the back of the smartwatch, we have different sensors such as heart rate and the SpO2 sensor. And here are the charging points. And to charge the smartwatch, here is how you connect the charger. In terms of the battery, you get 390 mAh battery in this smartwatch, which can easily give you battery backup of up to 10 days, and that too with the heavy usage, which is impressive. In terms of the other technical details, you get inbuilt GPS support, which includes GLONASS, Baidu and Galileo. The watch is 10 ATM waterproof, which is an upgrade from the last year's 5 ATM rating. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here it is on and asking us to scan the QR code. The companion app Zepp is available for both Android and iOS. And to pair the smartwatch, you need to go to the Add Device section and pair the smartwatch. Now the first thing I notice is the quality of the AMOLED display. It's definitely improved and I really like the viewing angles. Now talking about the watch overview, you can control the smartwatch with either touch or buttons on the sides, which is again very good as this smartwatch is meant to be used in extreme conditions. And sometimes operating the watch with the touch won't be possible, so the buttons will come handy. Now about the interface, here we have the watch face and if you long press on the screen, you can switch between different watch faces. The watch can store 4 to 5 watch faces and you can add more from the companion app. Now coming back to the menu, swiping down from the top shows you the quick settings. And here you have the quick view of the battery, connection status and other settings such as DND, torch, etc. Swiping right from the left shows you the notifications and swiping up from the bottom gives you the access to the shortcut apps. And here we have the PAI, heart rate, SpO2 and so on. And you can also edit this list as per your choice. Pressing the top button on the right side will give you the access to the quick app, which is right now set to workout. This year you get 100 plus workout modes in this watch, which is similar to the GTS 2 and the GTR 2. And that is definitely very good, keeping in mind the nature of this rugged smartwatch. You can access the main menu by either swiping left from the right side or press the bottom button on the right side. And here we have the menu. And guys, one thing I notice here that the animation in this watch is really smooth and there are no stutters or lags while going through different options. So in the menu, first we have the PAI, which shows you a score based on your fitness activities. And then we have the heart rate, which supports continuous heart rate monitoring. And guys, the heart rate detection is also very fast. After the heart rate we have the SpO2, and it's a very essential feature these days. But I have noticed that in this smartwatch, it takes a very long time to show you the SpO2 reading. And after failing for the first 3 times, finally we were able to see the blood oxygen level. After the SpO2, we have the workout mode, and as mentioned earlier, there are 100 plus workout modes in this smartwatch, and you can edit this list as per your choice. Then we have the activities menu, which shows you your workout activities. And then we have the workout status, which shows you the workout status of the last 7 days. And then we have the activity goal menu, which shows you the fitness data of your current day. And then we have the weather, and in this watch, you can see the weather forecast as well. After the weather, we have the alarm, and you can set the alarm from the watch itself. After that, we have the compass, and here as well, we can see the animation is very smooth. After that, we have the barometer and the altimeter. And then in the menu, we have the countdown with some preset countdown options. And then we have the timer, and you can pause and reset the timer using the side buttons on this smartwatch. And then we have the music control, and in this smartwatch, you can pause and play music either with the touch gestures or buttons on the side. And you can also increase or decrease the volume. And then in the menu, we have the find phone option, which plays a loud tone on your phone. But in our case, we noticed that it wasn't working every time. After that, we have the notifications, and here you can see the notifications history. And then finally we have the settings. And here in this, we get the dial where you can switch to different watch faces. And then you have the DND settings, and then the preferences, and here you get the quick start button setting, which is right now set to workout, but you can choose the one you like from this list. After that, we have the display, and here you have the brightness settings, screen on time, and the always on display. You get the always on display on this smartwatch, and you can choose between the digital or analog always on display. The watch also supports raise to wake feature, and it works perfectly for us, and you can set the settings as sensitive or standards as per your choice. Then in the menu we have the vibration settings, and after that we have the GPS settings, and here you can select the positioning service. And after that we have the workout detection settings, and here in this, the smartwatch auto detects the selected workout mode, but this will reduce the battery life. Then we have the system settings, where you can reboot, power off, and factory reset this smartwatch. So that's all the features we have on this smartwatch, and according to me, I find the lag-free menu and the button controls on this smartwatch definitely an advantage. There is one thing which is missing in this smartwatch, and that is the calling support. And I was really hoping to see the calling support in this version. But that will not be possible as there is no mic or speaker in this smartwatch. Now looking at the companion apps app, we have a lot of options in this app. The user interface looks good, and here on the top we have the current day step count, and then we have the heart rate, stress, SpO2 and the PAI data. You also get a sleep score based on your last night's sleep. In the profile page, you can access settings of this smartwatch, and here on the top we have the remaining battery, and then we have the watch face store, and here you can download lot of new watch faces. Downloading a new watch face was quick, but syncing it to the watch was taking some time. Then in the settings we have the notification settings, and here you can select the apps for which you want a notification on the smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. In this watch, you can silent the call alert on the watch or reject the call. And here is how you get the message or the app alert. And again, there is no preset reply option, which is little disappointing. Then in the settings we have the vibration settings, health monitoring, which allows you to enable continuous heart rate monitoring, and the sleep breathing quality monitoring. Then we have some regular options such as watch settings, which allows you to change the display settings and the brightness of the smartwatch. After that we have the app list on the smartwatch, which you can customize from here. And then we have the workout settings, where you can select the things which you want to enable while working out. So that's pretty much all the settings and features we have in the Amazfit T-Rex Pro. And guys, this is just an overview of the features. I'll be using this smartwatch for the next few days and will let you know about its performance and data accuracy in our review video. So stay tuned for that. So overall, the Amazfit T-Rex Pro offers a rugged and beefy design, which looks very good. And with the 15 military grade certifications, you can use this smartwatch practically anywhere and in any condition. I really like the display quality and the navigation of this smartwatch, and the touch response is also very good. And as I have mentioned earlier, I was hoping to see the call support and the voice control, which is missing in this version. Nonetheless, if you're looking for a rugged, all-rounder smartwatch, then the Amazfit T-Rex Pro is a very good option. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Amazfit T-Rex Pro rugged smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this smartwatch in the comment section below. And guys, if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then let us know down below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.